The Nubia Flip 2 surfaced online quietly 2 months. Nubia has officially launched its second foldable phone, the Flip 2, in Japan. The Nubia Flip 2 comes in black, white, or blue colors. The biggest change in this new model is the cover screen. The company replaced the round screen from the original Flip with a more conventional rectangular one. The main screen is still a 6.9-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and full HD+ resolution. It features a 3-inch cover display. The Flip 2 has a dual camera system on the rear, 50MP main sensor, 2MP depth sensor, and 32MP front-facing camera. The Foldable is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity D7300X processor, which is paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone still runs on Android 14. The phone powered by a 4300 mAh battery. The official page of the phone mentioned plenty of AI features. The Nubia Flip 2 is priced at 64,080 yen, roughly $406. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.